I went to visit a farm one day. I met a sheep across the way, and what do you think the sheep did say? Bah, bah. I went to visit a farm one day. I met a dog across the way, and what do you think the dog did say? Woof, 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 woof. I went to visit a farm one day. I met a pig across the way, and what do you think the pig did say? Oink, 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 oink. I went to visit a farm one day. I met a chicken across the way, and what do you think the chicken did say? Buck, 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 buck. When a cow wakes up in the morning, it always says, moo, moo. When a horse wakes up in the morning, it always says, neigh, neigh. When a duck wakes up in the morning, it always says, quack, 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 quack. When a cat wakes up in the morning, it always says,